Hello, welcome to puppy class.
Hello, I am happy to be here.
We are very happy you came. Puppy class is the most important foundation to your puppy's life. Dogs who come to puppy class before they are 14 weeks old and then take an obedience class before they are 2 years old have a much better chance of staying in the first home they came to after leaving their mom at the breeder's.
My breeder was very worried that if I came to your puppy class my puppy might get sick and die. What do you think?
I think that it is important to know the facts about puppy diseases and how they are transmitted. Studies have been done that show that puppy classes don't transmit disease. The American Veterinary Society of Animal Behavior looked at those studies and made recommendations based on what they found. Their recommendation is that puppies come to puppy class as early as 8 weeks of age. Additionally, because we are aware of the risks at dogs in the park, we sanitize the toys between each class and the floor with bleach for the first 3 classes. This means that by the time we stop bleaching the floor, the youngest puppy will have had its second set of shots and will be immunized against the most common diseases that puppies get.
I have a small breed dog. Will he be safe in your class?
Yes. When we have puppy play, we help you to learn how to teach your puppy to play and stay safe. If there is a large size difference between your puppy and another puppy in class, we will show you and the large dog puppy's person how to keep things safe during play. We have lots of activities that will help you learn to train your puppy to sit, lie down and come when called, and always keep everyone safe.
What good is it to let the puppies play in class? I want my puppy to learn to be polite and not jump on people or take things he finds off the ground.
Puppies are like little kids. They need to play in order to learn about how their bodies work, what is acceptable and what is not. In dog play, they learn how to inhibit their bites so that they bite gently or not at all when they get excited or scared. We will also teach you how to teach your puppy to leave tasty things on the ground unless you tell them they can have it. In every class we will help you to gradually teach your puppy to keep his 4 feet on the floor when he is meeting people. It all starts from good play habits and goes on from there.
I love my puppy very much. I don't want to be mean to him when I am training him. How are you going to teach him to be nice without being mean to him?
We love puppies and dogs too. We don't think that it is a good idea to pin or shake a puppy or do anything that would cause your puppy to be afraid. We teach you how to control all the things your puppy wants so that he can get those things by doing the things that you want him to do.
That sounds difficult and complicated. Are you sure this works?
It is not difficult at all. Think about offering a little child a lollipop. Would you give it to him if he was yelling at you and grabbing for it?
Of course not. That would teach him to be rude.
What would you do to teach that child to be polite?
I think I would wait until he settled down and I might remind him to say please.
Most dogs don't talk, so we would advise you to wait till your dog settles down and offers you a behavior you like, such as sitting, before you gave him a treat.
That sounds much easier than what you said before. Do I need to worry that my puppy will get fat if I use treats to train him?
Food is a good tool to use with growing puppies because they need so much of it. As your puppy gets a little older and stops growing, we will help you to teach your puppy that he can get other things he wants, like playing with a toy or meeting other dogs if he does as you ask him to do.
I am a little confused again. What do you mean?
Let's think about the toddler again. If you were visiting your sister and her toddler wanted to see your cell phone, would you let her do that if she was grabbing at your pocket or screaming at you?
Probably not.
That is right. Imagine she had just finished eating a jam sandwich and her hands were all sticky. You might say to her, "Sweetie, let's go wash your hands, and then we can look at the cell phone together."
I don't know many dogs who want to see a cell phone.
That is true. But lots of dogs want to go play with other dogs. What could you do if your dog was at the park and was excited and bouncing up and down because he wanted to get off his leash to go and play?
I suppose I could wait until he is calm and then ask him to do something like sit.
Exactly. You are going to be a very good dog trainer. What is your puppy's name?
Fluffums.
We are so glad you came with Fluffums. Why don't you come into our classroom and Fluffums can play with Grover and Pumpkin who are waiting to get started.
Thank you, we will. Come along, Fluffums.